Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button until you see the Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see, or you might see, the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, you can see that we need to download and install the Huawei Health application on our phone. And this part is quite tricky because we need to go through a couple of steps. First, we need to open the browser on our phone. It can be any browser. I'm just gonna open Google Chrome, but you can open any browser you want. In the browser, tap on search, type in Huawei. No, not Huawei. AppGallery. Gallery.huawei.com. This, type in this address and tap search, and it should redirect you to this page. Now, on this page, tap on this icon in the top left corner, then tap on Install AppGallery, and basically what we are doing right now is downloading and installing the AppGallery, Huawei AppGallery, so we can download and install the Huawei Health. Because if you install the Huawei Health application from the Play Store, it won't work. For some reason, it's not up to date. So we need to download the Huawei AppGallery, download the Huawei Health application from there to pair the watch with the phone. So let's tap on the download anyway to download the installation file. And once it's done downloading, you can tap on open, or open the menu in your browser, tap on downloads, and you should have your downloaded file right here. Tap on it to open it, and you might get the pop-up about the security, basically app not being able to install the apps from unknown sources. Now tap on the settings option, and it should redirect you to the install unknown apps. Now tap on the switch to allow from the Chrome, from this source, and go back to the browser. Oh, my bad. Now we can tap on the downloaded file again, tap on install, and it should start installing the application. And once the AppGallery is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. Then tap next, agree, and you can allow or deny the permission for the phone. Tap on OK, and now in the AppGallery, tap on search, type in Huawei Health, and tap search. You should see this application right here, Huawei Health. Tap on the install button. You might get again the pop-up about the permission to install the apps from the unknown sources. You need to tap on settings, allow the installation from unknown sources from the AppGallery by tapping on the switch, going back to AppGallery, and then tapping on install again. And now the app should start downloading and installing. And now let's tap on install to confirm and start the installation. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. And here we need to select the region. And to do that, simply tap on here to open the list of regions and select one you like. Remember that some of the regions don't support all of the features. For example, if you select the United States, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to access the watch faces and AppGallery and stuff like that. For example, I'm gonna select the United Kingdom instead. So let's find the United Kingdom right here, then tap next. Then here tap next, agree. You can allow or deny the permissions. I'm just gonna deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the health page in the app. Now, tap on the devices icon, tap on add button, tap on OK, allow the permission for the location, and the app should start looking for the nearby devices. And as you can see, it found our Watch GT 3. You can tap on the link button next to it. And now you will need to log into a Huawei ID account. So let's tap right here, enter the email address, then tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and once you log in, the app will basically reopen for some reason. I don't know why. We can then tap on devices again, tap on add, wait for the app to find our watch. Okay, now it found it. Tap on the link. You can allow or deny the permissions. I'm just gonna deny them. Oh, apparently this permission is required. Okay, so let's tap on settings. Never mind, tap on retry, link. Allow the permission. Well, I don't know why it's required, but apparently it is. And now we can tap on pair. Tap on the check mark on the watch. And as you can see, pairing successful now. We can check the boxes to download the updates automatically and install them automatically if you want to. And then tap continue. And as you can see, we have the info about the update already. I'm just gonna tap on update, install updates manually, then tap on done and tap on continue. And here we can also enable the phone notifications for the watch. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to tap on enable and then continue with the required steps. But if you don't care about the notifications, you can tap on cancel and then tap on done and OK to confirm. I'm just gonna enable them, so I'm gonna tap on enable, tap on the screen. Now it should open the notification access page. Select the Huawei Health app, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and go back to the app. And at this point, the notifications should be enabled. And you can customize the settings for the notifications. Basically, you can enable or disable the notifications for specific apps. And once you're done, tap on done, tap on OK. And we need to allow the permissions for the notifications. So if you want to use the notifications, you need to allow the permissions, unfortunately. Then tap on OK. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the device page of your Huawei Watch GT 3. And that's how you pair the watch or this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.